So, hello everyone, welcome back to the new stream. Today we are trading gold and Nasdaq just like yesterday. कल गोल्ड में लॉस हो गया आपका. अगर एनवाई एएम या पीएम में किया होगा तो मे बी हुआ होगा. वॉइस ओके, मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ. सो यार वॉइस थोड़ी सी कम है. मतलब मेरे फ़ोन में तो ठीक ठाक आ रही है, बट हो सकता है किसी किसी डिवाइसेस में थोड़ी कम लग सकती है आई थिंक. सो आई कैन इंक्रीज दैट थिंग. हाउ इज इट नाउ? आई होप थोड़ा सा बेटर क्वालिटी इंक्रीज हुआ होगा वॉल्यूम पे. ओके, ऑल गुड. सो दिस इज gold on 60-minute chart. If you look, we are trading in towards the sell side liquidity from this new week opening gap. Okay, this is the current new week open gap. Okay, and we have traded, or we have delivered the buy side delivery of for this new week opening gap in on the Monday, and in today Tuesday, uh, we have just like traded at the new week opening gap upper quadrant and rejected off. Okay, the primary focus here is this H1 inversion gap. Okay, this is an 60-minute IFEG, and we have displaced lower, and it will reject the price. This sell side liquidity pool is beautiful here. Okay, absolutely stunning sell side liquidity, and then this sell side liquidity. So my target is all this sell side liquidity for next few days. The only thing which is possible is that we can again go towards the Monday high, take it out, and then maybe it is possible that we will fall, but I don't want to see that thing happening. I want to see that we start to reject from here only. Okay, so I am bearish. My drawn liquidity is bearish. We have the 60-minute inversion fair value gap. From here I want to see a good nice setup forming to short the market. Right now we attack the London lows. Okay, we attack the London lows, so there is possibility we'll uh, trade back to the range. Okay, this is the nice dealing range here, and if I take it from London high, then yeah. So I want to see price trading inside this 60-minute inversion on gold. Okay, it's an easy peasy setup will form from here. That is something I want to see. The next thing which is important. Okay, one more thing is that we are also doing ERL to IRL kind of scenario here. So but yeah, gold is volatile today, so moves are little aggressive towards any side. So it is not uh, giving you proper entries on the PDRs. I'm watching gold from last 1 hour. I'm not able to catch some nice entries in gold. So yeah, let's see. Let's go to the Nasdaq. Nas 100. What is it doing? So Nasdaq is still in consolidation. Okay, we had this last fair value gap 15-minute. Okay, we closed below it, but what is the normal characteristic of fair value gap? That will start to again uh, trade above that gap from the next candle, then it's all fine. So हमने trade करना start किया, we went up above the fair value gap, and now we are continuing in the higher side. We have some relative equal highs here. Okay, these are some liquidity pool on NQ. These are the minor buy side liquidity. It can be attacked. Okay, it can be attacked. And if you see carefully on the daily chart, we can attack the previous day high. So what I want to see on the Nasdaq chart is a nice manipulation in the downside. Okay, although this whole price action is also good, but if it was more impulsive in nature like this, then I think we would have seen all-time highs. It is possible from here also, but I want to see something like this and then boom. If ऐसा कुछ होता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता, but right now I'll try to attack the minor buy side liquidity here. On the 5-minute chart on Nasdaq, a sell stop run here, inversion fair value gap. See, that's your inversion fair value gap, M5. It is trying to take the support. On the 1-minute chart, if we see, attack the sell stop here, market structure shift, no good looking fair value gap here on the 1-minute chart, so we can use the volume imbalances and the order blocks. Only we have this inversion, 1-minute bullish inversion, and this candle. Okay, I don't see a high probability order block here on the 1-minute chart, but on the, okay, we have a 3-minute rejection block. And we are taking support from there only. Better to use the volume balance here. And the minor buy side liquidity is something I am watching. The best thing will be that if we get any nice entry from the breaker here, this candle is a breaker block. If we close above it, it will act as a breaker block. Bullish breaker. Okay, so let's wait here. So these are the two things which I'll watch today in this live stream. And now tell me, what are you guys watching? And okay, just wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, I'm back. So tell me guys, what are you looking for in the market? Gold, both side engineered liquidity. Yes, I see there are the buy side liquidity here and the sell side liquidity here. That's why it is consolidating in between, and there are no high probability setups or no directional moves here. Long on NQ. Yes, 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 I forgot about it. Let's watch it. I think it will attack this buy side, and here is a nice gap, no? This is a nice gap from London session, which should be traded on Nasdaq. So that's a nice drawn liquidity for us. If there is this fail gap gets created here, that will be a good thing here. We can use it like from here, protecting this down close candle, targeting the highs 1 is to 2.5 here, and then above it that will be 1 is to 3.7. Okay, the best case will be we close above the breaker and then come back again to that gap. So for finding the gap up or gap down at 9:30, uh, see, I have futures account also, so I can log into Tradovate and watch that thing on the futures chart. But it's the yesterday's PM session closing time and today's NY AM session opening time. That is your gap, opening range gap. Okay, use that thing. So we traded above the breaker here by wicks, not by bodies. Let's wait. Oh, is today any red folder news? Am I missing something? Okay, today is news at 8 a.m. Sorry, 10 a.m. Sorry, 10 a.m. we have news, silver bullet news. Yeah, we can trade it 30 volatility. Let me open trading view here also, and we'll watch uh, gold here. Okay, gold is inside the inversion. Let it go. So we did not closed above the breaker here. We just swept it. So no long setup for here. So now if it fall, so it can reach for this last BC, and I don't think so it will fall below that. Okay, last BC is only important if it wants to fall, else it will just consolidate here till 8:30, and 8:30 the volatility will kick in. Yes, so 10 a.m. is the news, so maybe at 8:30 it will consolidate also. Okay, there, this is also possible, and then AM silver bullet will be nice. Yesterday was also there was a 10 a.m. news. Okay, yesterday there was a 10 a.m. news, and the 10 a.m. news I think pushed the prices higher. This was yesterday's trade. So that's your news candle. We attacked the news candle and then again started to rally higher on the lunch. Let's see what we do today. Let's spend some time at 5-minute chart because I want to see how we are utilizing high time frame candles here. Looks little choppy to me here. Okay, Nasdaq. I wanted to see the minor buy side liquidity, but it is looking little choppy. We have attacked a lot of highs here. Okay, we have made the highs little jagged, at least for the manipulation. This was the last standard deviation. -2 is coming at this Monday PM session low. Okay, so it is not trading at this inversion 5-minute and the 1-minute last BC. If we fail to take support from this 2 PDRS, my focus will shift to 21134, which is this New York PM session low of yesterday. Okay, I don't want to see any kind of support from any other PDRS here. Okay, so if it wants to go higher, rip higher, then it should go from here only. Also, let's watch yes. So open US 500 of Pepperstone. So we have a 3-minute CB also, no? So there's a fight between the 3-minute BC and the 3-minute CB. This is the point where we have to wait patiently for the setups, okay, and not uh, trade in FOMO, because today is already Tuesday. So play safe, try to preserve your capital. Yes, yeah, please like the stream. Everyone, please like the stream so that we can reach to many other new members or new viewers. But I'm not trying my hard here to get engagement on streams. I'm just trying to do these streams with my Telegram people. If they are loving it, then it's all good. Nice displacement from this here. We have SMT at lows. We have this as SMT with ES. We want to see the minor buy side liquidity getting attacked, although the price is very choppy here. Okay, we are trying to anticipate things on a consolidated time period market. Okay, so we have to play safe here. The new breaker will be this up close candles here. This M3CB, you see, we are trying to trade above the, okay, we have closed above the M3CB, but we have a volume balance here, 3-minute volume balance. It may throw prices in downside for a retracement and then rip higher. There's that possibility that will uh, trade to this minor buy side liquidity on US 100. Let's see if we can do that or not. I think news will manipulate lower, yeah. I don't think so. It should not go higher from here only. Okay. I'm not liking how we have made the bottom here. Okay. I'm definitely not liking it. I want to see the sell side getting attacked. Okay. Little few. Okay. This minor buy side should be attacked. But after attacking the minor buy side, we should rally or rip lower into this sell side liquidity. So on Nasdaq, I am bearish after this minor buy side liquidity. Okay. So if I don't want to trade longs here, then I will wait for this minor buy side liquidity. After this minor buy side liquidity, this is the imbalance where the high will be formed. Like there is possibility the high will form there, and after that high we'll attack all this sell side engineered lows, this sell side liquidity. I hope this type of thing forms here. Okay, because I will not personally not like how we have made the bottom here. Okay, to rip for the all-time highs. To get into that all-time highs, market will firstly try to kick out the early buyers. Okay, what is gold doing? तो गोल्ड ने तो बहुत अच्छा यहाँ से मूव किया. वही होता है, if you don't get a setup, then like I wanted to short the market for these lows. I didn't got any setup here. So I waited patiently for the setup. If there is no setup, I'll just let it go, because I know this thing happens 80% of the time in the markets. If you don't get any setup, no proper leg is formed here, that's just a Judah swing. Okay, I've talked about it a lot of times in the stream. So this is what usually happens. I wanted to see this 60-minute inversion fail gap to act as a resistance, but there is no resistance here, and it is in a consolidation profile. So I'll just let it go. Okay, let's watch GBP USD. GBP USD. Okay, it attacked the sell side London lows and retracing back to this range. If we get any chance to short this thing for the sell side Asia low, then we'll definitely try to do it. Okay, let it attack few buy side liquidities. That was a nice market maker sell model, but there are some engineered highs here. Okay, so there are some nice engineered highs. See, this is a nice engineered high on GBP USD. If it gets attack and then again we trade for lower prices, I'll short it for Asia, like Asia side Asia lows. Okay, let's see. I'm bearish on GBP USD. So right now I'll let it go. NQ is also consolidating. If 830 doesn't provide any good signs that market will have some volatility, I'm not interested till the news. Okay, I'm not interested till the news, because till now we should have got a good setup to long the market, or towards my drawn liquidity I should have get a nice setup. but there is no setup form till now, so it means that it is still consolidating, and most probably we will uh, get a nice volatility injection at 10 a.m. GU is going for, okay, we attacked this high. Okay, did you, something is not right here. You see the up move here. I'm personally not liking how we are engineering this lows. So personally this is just some relative equal lows. See how beautiful relative equal lows are this. 30-minute gap here, 30-minute ferrule gap. So let it form some kind of setup from here. If it wants to fall, we'll see it on later on. Bro, my age is 23. Not 39 man. 50 का तो ICT है यार. 52 का, 52 या 53 का. I'm using ICT concepts from last, no, not last, more than 2 years I think. जिसमें से 2 years से मतलब मैं प्रॉपरली यूज कर रहा हूँ. 2 years नहीं, मे बी 1.8 1.7 से मैं प्रॉपर सीख के यूज कर रहा हूँ. उसके पहले थोड़ा लर्निंग पीरियड में था तो मैं उसको इंक्लूड नहीं कर रहा हूँ. बट ऑन चार्ट्स आई एम यूजिंग ICT concepts from last 1.8 1.7 1.8 years. उसके पहले 6-7 महीने तो जानने में लग गए कि क्या होता है ये, मतलब कैसे कुछ कुछ चीज़ें, बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन. फिर उसके बाद भी जो 1.8 में भी बहुत सारे इंक्लूडिंग होते ही हैं लर्निंग पीरियड, सबके होने चाहिए और होते ही होंगे. अभी भी मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो मुझे दिखती है, आई आई लुक फॉर इट एंड आई ट्राई टू लर्न फ्रॉम इट. सो 3 मिनट वॉल्यूम बैलेंस रिजेक्टिंग द प्राइसेस लोअर. ओके, अब मैं यहाँ पे प्राइसेस कॉल नहीं करने वाला. ठीक है, आई जस्ट लेट इट गो. जहाँ जाना है इसको जाने दूंगा. 8:30 क्योंकि हो चुका है. आई वांट टू सी कि नाउ मार्केट मेरे को क्या सर्व करके देता है, क्या डाटा मुझे देता है यहाँ पे. देयर वाज दिस M3CB इंक्लूडिंग द वॉल्यूम बैलेंस आल्सो. जस्ट रिमूव दिस थिंग. So you are new to ICT, okay, and I can understand things like entry model, PDR is stuffs, but I can't be in right side if market. Right side if market, what do you mean by that? Okay, so you are able to understand PDRs and all, but you are getting problems in framing narrative. Okay, you are getting problems in framing the drawn liquidities. So if that is the problem, please write it down in the chat. I'll help you. Euro USD. Okay, let's watch it. Euro USD. Euro USD. It has done. Okay, this was the. There's the sell side liquidity here, and it has done a major job yesterday. I'm not expecting big momentum here, but we can definitely scalp few points. Attack the lows, attack the lows. Both side we have liquidity. GU is better than EU right now. See, this is the range here. So wait for the any one side of the range to be attacked. what were we watching? Nasdaq. Okay, so your drawn liquidity problem is not very it's not very hard to find drawn liquidity. The best thing you should be doing right now is focusing on relative equal highs and relative equal lows, or try to watch ICT's 2024 mentorship if you want to learn about it. It will definitely help you. ICT's 2024 mentorship. It primarily focuses on intraday drawn liquidities and all. Watch the first 10 to 15 videos and you will get enough idea of framing the drawn liquidities. Okay, see, 5 minute gap here, it got filled. We got a nice displacement, but again we are just chopping around here. I personally want to see we should displace above this volume balance. Okay, that's your 3 minute volume balance, and there will be this up close candles acting as a mitigation block, and there will be institutional order flow entry drill from here. So if that kind of setup forms here, that's good. Okay, so see, GU here is just moving for this relative equal highs. We are taking support from daily BC. Yes, I watched it. See, step by step analysis, top down analysis. Yes, I can show you the same thing which I usually do on my charts. What I look for is on the daily chart, I usually look for where this candle should go. Okay, on NQ, this candle should go for this high. Okay, for the previous day high. It is telling me the previous day. I'll note it down. I have a notebook on my side. I write it down, the date and the name, and write where I am thinking that the daily candle should expand. So the daily candle is looking like we should expand for the previous day high. Then I watch the 4-hour chart also, and if 4-hour chart is telling me something else, I also note it down. So on the 4-hour chart, what I am watching right now, so on the 4-hour chart we are sweeping some highs, so this sell side liquidity is looking me great. Okay, we have imbalances here, so 4-hour is has some bearish sentiment to me. Okay, 4-hour has some bearish sentiment to me. Now if I want to see few more things on the daily, then what I can say is all time highs still has some space left. We have this candle as the rejection block or the wick, and its 0.5% is still not traded. Okay, so I'll write it down also. So daily wick and 50% of it, that is important for me, but we are rejecting from the lower quadrant only. So from the lower quadrant, if I go to the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart we are sweeping some highs, a lot of highs, 1 2 1 2 3. We have swept 3, sorry, 1 2 2 4-hour highs. Moving on to the 60-minute chart, I'll note what is looking nice to me. So on the 60-minute chart, there was this consolidation here, and after the consolidation, I want to see a manipulation. So it has manipulated the lows in this 1 hour wick. Okay, my daily was previous day high. My 60-minute is telling me that there are chances we may see an expansion in upside. Okay, there are chances only. Okay, there are chances, but what will be the highest probability kind of scenario for me? So the highest probability scenario for me will be we attack this sell side and then go higher. That will be an ideal thing. Okay, so I'll write it down what I want to see. So I want to see this sell side getting attacked. Okay, on hourly chart, and if I want to trade it, then I look for shorts in the market. So for looking for the shorts, I go to the 15-minute chart and look for what is looking nice here. So even to do the manipulation now, we have to do, see, this was the this sell side liquidity will be the higher time frame manipulation. So there will be some low time frame short term highs to be swept for reaching the sell side now. So whenever a high is getting attacked, I'll look for shorts. Okay, so right now this minor buy side liquidity is looking great to me to be attacked, and then we may see this sell side liquidity. So that will be the manipulation for today if we reach this sell side liquidity. And suppose everything, my every plan got failed, I may get a losing trade and I'll be out from the market. Okay, so right now I want to see this minor buy side liquidity, and when we will reach this minor buy side liquidity, there is this 15-minute rejection, 15-minute wick here. I like to see how we are using that wick, and if we get any kind of fall from here, I'll short the market. Okay, and my drawn liquidity will be this sell side liquidity. This is how you plan everything. You have to write down each and everything and mix and match the highest probability scenario. Okay, so I'm aligning with my plan that I want to attack this buy side, and after attacking the buy side, I want to see the sell side getting attacked. Okay, I hope it would have helped. It can be different for everyone, but this is how I do it. And the best thing which you can do on the markets is finding liquidity which has nice and smooth high or lows. Okay, so here I am watching enough liquidity which will attract the price. Okay, one more thing, important thing is watching new day opening gaps and new week opening gaps. So let me see what are few new day open gaps here. So this is 2 December new day opening gap. Where is new week open gap, or is there any gap? Okay, so new week opening gap is below here. Oh, yesterday price action was here now. Okay, so new week opening gap at all is below where we are trading right now. Okay, but we are at the highs right now, so I don't want to expect anything that will reach this new week opening gap at all. I don't want to plan for anything like that. Okay, what we can use it as this small new day opening gap, although it is not very important to use this thing. Okay, 3-minute volume balance again getting traded, and if we close above this up close candles, that will be your mitigation block. And if there is a fair value gap formation here, I'll personally like to use that thing and attack the minor buy side liquidity. Hello Manish bhai, hello, aa jao. US 100 looking bullish to me for this 21,184. If it gives me entry at this institutional order flow entry deal here, it's all good. If, like it already gave me entry at this market structure shift fair value gap, but I was explaining a bit to the viewers, I missed it. Okay, gold. So gold is going for the buy side now, most probably. If it will still not consolidate, then it will attack this buy side, which is above the new week open gap. Okay, and I don't want to trade right now gold because it is still in consolidation. I'll let it attack the buy side, and maybe then we'll see any nice setup. then we'll engage. Okay. Okay, that's a nice gap here. A nice institutional order flow entry drill should form here. Like, see, we have this volume balance here, so maybe it can dig lower here. And if it doesn't give any entry, then it will just move. So right now that displacement is nice, and it is making me feel like we'll keep this gap open and we'll attack the buy side. ES is also doing the same thing. So you look at the daily bias first, then check PDRS on intermediate time frame according to the bias plus SMT, and on low time frame I look for change in state of delivery. I don't know who, like many people are like promoting or doing promotion for change in state of delivery, but I personally don't like using change in state of delivery for entries and all, or even from frame, even for framing narrative I don't like using change in state of delivery, because वो सारी जगह होता है, like it happens a lot of times and in a lot of places also. Like I personally use it very few times only. Okay, I don't like using change in state of deliveries. Also, is SMT is the main problem for every beginner. Okay, once you see SMT you cannot unsee it, and that is very stupidity to do in the charts. So if you if you really want to learn price action, then stop using SMT first of all. Okay, stop, immediately stop using SMTs. Immediately stop using SMTs. Focus on price action first. When you learn price action, after that use SMTs for only for confirmation, only for the confirmation. Okay, this is very important, very important, that you should avoid using SMTs. Focus on price action. What is price action? Focus on PDRS. Most of you don't know how to use mitigation block or where the mitigation block forms. Most of you. The reason? SMT. Once you see SMT, you just, okay, now long. No, this is not good at all. Try to study each PDRS, try to study all the price action happening on the chart. Why you are just wasting time on that SMT as a pattern? Okay, SMT is not a PDRA, SMT is not something you should be proud of in your charts. Okay, you should be proud of different PDRAs and liquidities that you are able to mark that liquidity and the price is reaching for that. Okay, you should be proud of that thing, not SMTs and all. So here US 100 reaching for the minor buy side liquidity. It didn't give me any entry here which I wanted as an institutional order flow entry drill, but there was some nice entry here. Okay, after we rejected from this rejection, sorry, after we took the support from the rejection block, we got a nice market structure shift, 2022 model entry, boom. गोल्ड यार, आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग गोल्ड इधर पे, ठीक है. If market comes into PDRA, don't look for SMTs, bro. Literally avoid using SMTs at all cost. Okay. Stop using that thing. Stop using SMTs. See, here we had this gap, parallel gap, and one 5-minute inversion also. Okay, M5 IFEG, and 1 minute last parallel gap also. See here, 1 minute last parallel gap. We reacted off that gap. I told you guys at this point, I don't want to see price going lower from here. I want to see it should rip higher, support higher from this PDRS. What happened here? It went to this 3-minute volume balance. Then I told you from this 3-minute volume balance we will get a retracement to go higher. Okay, go back to the stream, you can watch this thing. It is not getting deleted. So from here it retraced lower. Okay, this gap, see, bodies are closing inside the gap, wicks are doing the damage, but they are not doing the damage, they are reaching for this rejection block. Whenever you see a big wick on the price, anticipate price to reach for that wick and take support. If your drawn liquidity is like in bullish side, do it same for the bearish one. In this gap, the body stays in the gap, wick do the damage, then we get a market structure shift here, a nice 2022 model fair value gap, rip higher, and the target is hit for the minor buy side liquidity. Did I use any SMTs here? Although there was, but my focus was not on the SMT, my focus was on this PDRs. Okay, from this inversion I wanted to see price, from this 3-minute VI I wanted to see price going lower. You should watch all these things here. Okay, you should watch all those opposite side PDRs also, how they are respecting or how they are rejecting the price. Okay, this is very important. Okay, very important. Bro, I exactly showed you how to read price action. Okay, exactly showed you. See, I teach all this stuff to my mentorship people. Okay, the same stuff which I'm showing you guys here, the same thing I teach to my mentorship people. They just get more time of mine than you. That's the only difference. If you can take anything from my stream, just take it, because these streams will be only happening for next few days only. Okay, I may get again busy, then I'll not able to stream. Now the minor buy side liquidity is attacked here. Okay, I want to see if we can reach for this imbalance here. There's a huge imbalance on 1-minute chart. See, that's a huge imbalance here. But if we start to go lower from here only, then that is something I don't want to see happening here. Okay, so I don't think I'm missing something here. Although this minor buy side liquidity is only smooth, above this is the big wick and price should reach for here. But if it, see, I don't know why it is falling here. Okay, there is no news right now, but it is again coming back to the range. I'm not expecting it to go and attack this right now. Okay, I want to see the sell side here, 21,134. This was the plan, but it missed trading to this fair value gap, and it has shown me this displacement in downside. So if I want to continue my plan, see, almost everything is been going on according to the plan. Only this gap is not got filled, okay, or not got traded. So okay, I'll wait. Whenever something happens outside of my plan, then I usually wait and see if I'm missing something out or what is the plan of market. So I have a telegram channel also, like it is a free telegram channel, but you can message me from there. Yes, I provide mentorship also. Let me drop the link. So this is my telegram free community group, and to be honest, I am very active in this group in new like on Indian markets, on forex also. I have pinned the channel. You can drop a DM to me from the channel. So see, I'm not changing my any of my plans. It can again reach for this fair value gap, and then it may again fall. It can happen. Okay, it can happen. I know there are few weeks here, but I really wanted to see that gap getting traded. Okay, it is trying to again come back to the new day opening gap. So new day opening gap is acting as a magnet, and it usually happens when we are consolidating. So it's reached for this new day opening gap. The answer is that we are in a consolidation profile still, so better to wait. Gold is going like sorry, gold is absolutely bullish here. I wanted to see some this sell side getting attacked, and then we attack the buy side. That will be a nice play here, but okay. But it see, this was the accumulation here. I think we are manipulating kind of Judas. Okay, we have this liquidity pool in upside on the gold. I know that thing, but वहां जाने के लिए भी तो I need something ना. Like to reach that buy side liquidity, I definitely want to see some nice sort of sell side liquidity getting attacked. अगर वो ही नहीं हो रहा है तो it is just of no use to me. Okay. If you guys want any of details about the mentorship, please DM me on Telegram. Okay. See, I don't want to promote my mentorship a lot. Okay. I'm only interested to teach people who are who are really looking for knowledge. Okay, because I know if I start to promote my mentorship, many of the people will come just because they want to see the live and trade. Okay, and also they'll not learn the right things which I'm sharing, and after after the mentorship will get complete, then what they will do is they will try to uh, say bad things about me. Okay, degrade uh, my knowledge, my image, and I don't want that things. Okay, I don't want that money. of that from that people. Okay, if you are really wanted, if you really want to learn something, then yes, I can help you. See, I can help you. I was doing live streams on YouTube before the mentorship also. If you don't want to, if you don't have money, you can still learn all that things from my live streams. You just have to give that time. Okay, even in the mentorship, you have to provide a lot of time to me and in my content. It is not very easy. So NQ here, uh, coming lower, and on the 15-minute charts, the buy side got attacked. We had 15-minute inversion where we spent a lot of time. Okay, we are again at this 15-minute BC, last BC, nothing tradable at all. Okay, that's just up and down, back and forth price action. GU also attacked the minor buy side liquidity, which we marked here, but it has made some nice lows also. The London lows got attacked, but we made the area again smooth. I think they definitely need some time. Now all the markets, their chart is not at all very good. Okay, I think they definitely need some nice time now. They are waiting for the 10 a.m. news. Okay, for to kick some nice volatility. But this fair gap is very nice on GU. Okay, it has a nice order block also. See, that's the order block wick, 15-minute. On GU it is beautiful. There's a nice accumulation here, manipulation here on the macro, and to trade this thing we'll have to look for this breaker here. This is an absolute perfect order block, which if gets failed will become a nice breaker. Okay, see, big candles against this short move. That's the problem in consolidation. You cannot trade anything here. Okay, this drawdown will kill you. This drawdown will affect your mindset. Okay, you will reach your break even point again and again, which you don't want to if you are in a trade. Okay, so definitely we will not trade anything in this consolidation market. Okay, if we would have reached for this imbalance, then I would have got some nice confidence to short the market. Right now I don't have any confidence to short the market. Even if I want to short the market, I definitely need a nice 15-minute 5-minute uh, IRL type of scenario, although there was this new day open gap and the volume balance here. So but I still don't think यहाँ पे ट्रेड करना वर्थ इट है. ओके, एनक्यू पे let it go, let it fall if it wants to fall, and maybe I'll try to trade the silver bullet. See the bodies here. They are not able to close above this new day open gap. Okay, once we traded below the new day opening gap, all the 1 2 3 candles are trading sorry, are closing below this new day opening gap. It means definitely this new day opening gap is rejecting the price. They are the real support and resistance. Trust me or do not trust me, it's upon you, but they are the they are the real ones. Okay, we had this breaker block here, this fail gap unicorn here, but the risk, not even risk, but I'm just not liking the price action at all here. So GU will attack the high once again. I think this high, this high will be attacked once again. It should be souped if it wants to go lower. This high should be souped here. Okay, but yeah, on the daily GU is looking nice for the IRL to ERL. But on the 60-minute chart, there are some relative equal lows. Market structure shift we failed. Okay, yeah, see this gap. We closed below it, but it took the support. Okay, be safe around here. It can consolidate. Okay, it can consolidate here. We have a CB also, so yeah, be safe. Be safe. Each market is looking bad to me right now. Don't know why, but what is EJ, bro? So NQ here attacking the sell side liquidity, which was the plan, but no, there was no nice entry here. There was a nice unicorn, but no, I didn't got any confidence here to short because this was the imbalance. We are still uh, not able. We still not traded that imbalance. I don't have any answer for that. Okay, I wanted to see. Although if even if this is a breakaway gap, still I wanted to see the market to trade it. Okay, we had this high, so it has just made this high more stronger in a high time frame basis. So it made this highs more stronger. Okay, okay, no issues. At least we are watching things which we already know can happen on the markets. Okay, and trust me, this down move, trust me. Okay, when I say this, trust me, all the down moves here will be Judas because we are at all time highs. Don't anticipate any lower prices in indices, US indices right now. Okay, don't anticipate because we will definitely reach higher. This is clearly accumulation. This is the nice manipulation, and that's the main reason I think we kept this fair gap open. Okay, this red box, we kept this 1 minute imbalance from the London session open. The main reason is that only. Okay, and see how engineered liquidity is made here. This is absolute perfect. So all the downside move here is Judas to me, is not a right move here, and we'll eventually see higher prices. Tuesday, okay, Monday has seen some nice displacement in the upside, so we are trading back to the Monday range, but I know that we'll do some nice setups here for the longs. Okay, maybe on the silver bullet. Yes, of course, this move before the news is definitely, this is not anything except Judas. Okay, this is the real Judas swing here. We are getting it before 9:30. Euro JPY. Okay, I don't usually watch this chart, but let's watch what is happening here. Okay, there is some nice trend going on here, man. I hope you would have shorted it, this thing here. Okay, yes, it can definitely reach for the previous day high. There are very high chances. I don't know from where you would have entered, but if you have any entries above the new day open gap of 2 December, then keep holding your positions and it will reach the previous day. What a beautiful, man, beautiful setup here. Damn, bro, sexy market. Sexy market, yeah. क्या ही मस्त दिख रहा है ये डाउन साइड का मूव. ब्यूटीफुल. सी व्हाट अ मूव यार. See, original consolidation here. Okay, and all this thing is a market maker sell model going on. Okay, there are accumulations here. The distribution is going on. Beautiful, man. दिल खुश हो गया इसका चार्ट देख के. लिटरली दिल खुश हो गया. Amazing यार. Amazing. Amazing chart here. It will reach this 156.380 previous day low. So on the NQ, not okay, let it go यार. NQ को भी थोड़ा सा जुड़ास करने दो. यहाँ पे कुछ खास मुझे करने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. बाकी if you guys have anything to ask, please ask me. 157.460 euro JPY. 157.460. Okay, you have a pretty nice entry, yeah. This is an absolutely nice entry from you. I don't know what entry model you use, but this is a nice entry here. In which time frame did you enter? Any precautions to not flow eval account? Yes. Please don't overtrade. Okay, over trading is the only thing that blows account. Okay, I have blown many, and the only problem is over trading. If you think market is looking difficult to me, log out from that eval account, open your paper trading account, do paper trade, but please strictly avoid. Okay, strictly avoid over trading. What do I mean by over trading? You should not take more than 2 trades in your eval account and properly do the risk management. If you are taking 1% risk, take more than 2% profit only, because I know, Manish, you are a trader who will not try to trade for 1 is to 5, 1 is to 6, 1 is to 7. Okay, at least target 1 is to 2 hour. Okay, don't hold trades for longer. If you are getting 2 hour, 3 hour, just exit your positions. Okay, don't wait for 6, 7 hours, 5 hours. Okay, evals are not for that thing. Evals are for quick money. Okay, try to pass the account with some nice risk management and strictly try to not over trade. Okay, if you ever feel like, okay, I'm feeling little like difficulty in the market, my drawn liquidity is not so nice right now, not so easy right now, stop trading. That's the only thing I can suggest you. Not more than 2 trades. And first trade, if you are trading 1% on the first trade, take 0.5% on the next trade. This is how you will save your account. If you are risking $200 in the first trade, take $100 risk on the next trade. It doesn't matter your first trade is profitable or it was a loss trade. It should not matter. Next trade you have to take only 50% risk and your account will be all good for the whole month. Also, don't risk very small na. Don't try to trade low probability trades with the mindset that I'll risk smaller here. Okay, don't do that thing. Okay, that is the most cheapest thing you can do with your account. Don't try to trade low probability setups with low risk. Okay, only take high probability setups with the proper risk. Take 1% risk and just fuck that trade. Okay, that's the only suggestion. So you took entry on 1 minute on Euro Japan. Then that, bro, you have nailed it, bro. You have nailed it from here. Okay. So 157.6462. Maybe here also if you would have entered, even if you protect the swing high, you are still getting more than. Bro, why are you still holding the trade? You are getting 1 to 6 7 hour. Why are you still holding the trade? You are getting some nice money here. Okay, okay, you can hold the trade. I'll not say anything. You can, but please take partials. Always pay yourself with partials. Bro, rejection block yesterday only I told, I think, and in the stream also मैंने बताया rejection block के बारे में. Rejection blocks are nothing, just the big wicks. जो भी big wick तुम्हें दिखे वो ही तुम्हारे रिजेक्शन ब्लॉक की तरह उसको यूज करना चाहो. एज अ पीडीआर उनको देखना स्टार्ट करो तो तुम्हें असली रिजेक्शन ब्लॉक मिल जाएगा. NQ London manipulation done. Now New York continuation draw liquidity at previous week high. I don't think that it is possible. Okay. I personally don't want to see that happen also. The last line of no last line not last line of defense, but some nice move should be formed from this 1 hour BC. From this 1 hour BC we should spend some time and go higher. It will be the best and ideal thing for me. I don't want to see it reaching for previous week high. That will be bad. Okay, because this is the previous week high. If it breaches the C of this BC, then yeah, it can come, but I hope it doesn't come. Each retail will make money here if it comes to this previous week high. Okay, and I don't think so that is easy. Also, if you guys missed ICT's tweets of today, please go and read that thing. It is for the people like us who use prop accounts. So here, let's open Gold for a second. Gold reached to the new week open gap again. So guys, I think I definitely need a break here. Okay, I don't think market will do things very aggressively at this point. They'll spend some time till 10 a.m. and I don't have time to do live till 10. So I'll be active on my Telegram. uh, you can see what I'm doing, how I'm doing. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so see you guys on to the tomorrow's Monday, Wednesday Bank Nifty live stream on the morning, and then I'll do a live stream on evening also. Okay, so goodbye everyone.